A business employs a large language model to manage complicated support requests. The prompt instructs the model as follows. Start by isolating the primary customer issue. Then, search for known workarounds within internal documentation. Finally, provide the solution or escalate the case as needed. Given the user inquiry, my package is late and the tracking status hasn't updated for 7 days, what prompting methodology is being utilized?
Option A, few shot. Option B, chain of thought. Option C, persona-driven. Option D, zero shot.
At its core, this question asks you to identify the specific design pattern used to construct a prompt. When we interact with large language models, the structure we apply to our instructions can significantly influence how the model processes information and arrives at a conclusion. We need to distinguish between approaches that rely on provided examples, those that assign roles, and those that dictate a sequence of logical steps for the model to follow.
In my view, the correct answer is option B, chain of thought. This approach is characterized by explicitly telling the model to follow a step-by-step logical process, which is exactly what we see here. Isolate the issue, search for workarounds, and then provide a solution or escalate. This structured reasoning guides the model through a sequence of actions, rather than just generating a single response based on pattern matching alone.
Let's look at why the other options are incorrect. Few-shot prompting requires providing specific input-output pairs or examples for the model to follow, which are absent here. Persona-driven prompting involves telling the model to adopt a specific role or character, like acting as a support agent, but that is not the focus of these instructions. While this prompt technically lacks examples, making it a zero-shot interaction, chain of thought is the more precise term because it highlights the methodology of decomposing the task. A key exam tip here is to look for instructional language that mandates a sequence of thought, as that is the signature indicator of chain of thought prompting.